Atlantiques Gallery brings to you a professionally restored and framed artwork, River. B.W.Leader, 1888. 1888, with strong wall presence. See more at atlantiques.co.uk. Its appeal is atmospheric. Depth, light and setting give the composition strong decorative presence and an immediate place in a collector's interior. Look closely at the full composition, then at the details, atmospheric depth, decorative scale, restored viewing appeal. These are the qualities that give the painting its wall presence and collector appeal. The attribution, subject, medium and period give the painting a clear collecting context and a strong basis for close viewing. The condition and presentation support a confident viewing experience, with the surface, support and framing shown clearly for collector review. The framed presentation matters, is offered as a complete object, with condition, frame and visual presence all contributing to its appeal. For a collector, this is an opportunity to acquire a visually strong, professionally presented artwork with character, documentation and a clear route to inquiry. Visit atlantiques.co.uk, review the artwork page, and contact Atlantiques Gallery to request information or make an offer.